So, you want to know if this Teclast T40HD tablet is the right tablet to buy now? Let me show you everything about this tablet. We're going to put it to the test. Check the link down below so you can see the current price. I'll try to get a discount coupon for you. As we normally do on the channel, we're going to test everything like I said. Consider subscribing, guys. Thank you very much for your support. First things first, let's open really quick the box, very minimal. We can also find this charger, 10 watts I believe. Of course, we have our tablet here. Okay, so this is what we get in the box. We got our tablet, of course, a charger, user manual, USB Type A to USB Type-C cable and a SIM extraction tool. That's it. So guys, this one is not the entry-level model. This is a nice upgrade from the previous models. This is the T40HD. Comes with this amazing 2K screen, 2000 by 1200 resolution. On top of that, is running Android 13 and he has this T606 octa-core Uni SoC. In terms of storage, it has 128 gigs and RAM. Manufacturer said it has 8 plus 8 being 8 virtual memory expansion. Of course, dual Wi-Fi band and Bluetooth 5.0. If you follow my channel for a while, you know I'm a big fan of this brand. Of course, I'm totally unbiased here. I do have a few tablets and so far, so good, guys. First thing first, let's have a look at the design. So in terms of thickness, 7.5 mm thick, and it's a very lightweight tablet, 460 grams. As you can see, you got this straight edge design in this space gray color, which I like. The body itself, according to the manufacturer, it's a metal uni body. I do like the design, I do like these cameras on the back as well. If you look closely, they put the speakers on the side, so you won't be covering the speakers while holding the tablet, which for me, it's a plus. We got our old 3.5mm jack, got the cameras on the back as I mentioned before, and you have our SIM card tray. You can put 2 SIM cards with this case and using 4G outdoors. Apart from that, you got your normal volume rocker and power button at the top, probably a microphone hole there. On this side, we got our charging port, USB Type-C, and that's basically it, guys. Very straightforward Teclast tablet, good looking. You got this thing, it's typical Teclast at the top there. Yeah, design, it's pretty cool, I do like it. On the front we have our gorgeous display, 10.4 inches display, fully laminated, resolution 2000 by 1200. I do like the colors, as you guys can see from these clips, very vivid. The viewing angle is quite good, 178 degrees, and it comes with the eye protection mode, reading mode and dark mode, etc. I don't have the information of the nits. It's not super bright. I haven't tested out those, to be honest, guys. And this is the lowest brightness you can go, and this is the max you can go. Hopefully this will give you a good idea. What I noticed with this tablet is it is very smooth, very snappy, and is fast to respond. I play some games and I believe this Mali G67 GPU is quite good. I had no issues, no lag, even heavy games like this Asphalt 9 or even PUBG Mobile. To watch some videos on Netflix or even YouTube, it does a perfect job. Netflix, as I mentioned before, the colors are vivid. You don't get 1080p, although this tablet has Widevine level 1. For some reason Netflix is not supported in HD, so you get a nice, well, it does work well, but you don't get full HD. That's it. On YouTube, you can get 1080p, no issues. The application runs very smooth, very fast, and there's no frames drop. My experience with YouTube is really good. Let's now talk about the speakers. So this tablet has dual speakers, one on each side, as you guys seen before. And well, there's always a downside on every single product, and this might be the one from this tablet. The speakers are good, but don't expect high quality audio. It's a bit loud, but there's not a lot of bass. Yeah guys, it is what it is, so this is why we're testing it. Quality, it's not fully there, is lacking the lows, to be honest. Yeah guys, one thing I forgot to mention is that tablet has GPS, and if you like numbers, let's have a look at the benchmark. I ran a quick one. I'm not a huge fan of numbers, but I know some of you like it, so that's it. This is what you get with this tablet. Cameras wise, you got the front facing camera 8 megapixels, rear facing camera 13 megapixels. And guys, don't expect high quality cameras because these are not it. Let me show you an example. This is an example of the video captured by the rear cameras. We are indoors, of course. The max resolution is 1080p. Let me swap to the front facing camera. And this guys is the front facing camera. Hopefully it will give you an idea. Let me show you some pictures now. Let's now have a look at IDA 64 really quick so you can get some details about this tablet. For example, the RAM here, it does say 8 gigs. I'm not sure where you can find the extra 8 gigs of virtual memory, but you can see the Bluetooth version is 5.0 and he has 110 almost gigabytes of internal storage. We can see 6 times the Cortex A55 plus 2 Cortex A75 running at 1.6. You can see here the 8 cores. At the moment the tablet is idling. If we have a look at the display tab, we can see the resolution as we mentioned before, 2000 by 1200, pixel density 222 dpi. In terms of the refresh rate, we just say here 60 Hz, around 60 Hz. We don't have confirmation of the 120, but I believe this is because the tablet is idling at the moment. And if you look at the network tab, we can see the 5 GHz band, it's available. Regarding the battery, this is a good report, 7200 milliamps hour, so huge battery. On the Android tab, you can see is running Android 13 and the device is not rooted. Yeah guys, we're not gonna cover everything, but you get the idea on how powerful this tablet really is. Yeah guys, overall a nice high quality tablet, nice build with an excellent screen. This is probably my favorite feature of the tablet. In terms of battery, huge battery, 7200 milliamps hour, connectivity, dual band, and the design is quite slick in my honest opinion. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can check it out, the current price. And if you enjoyed this video, please guys click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Like always, thank you very much for watching and hope I can see you all in the next one.